नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका चैनल गाइड ऑफ कैड में। मैं हूं गौरव सिंह और आज की खास पेशकश में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं अबाउट दी IIJS 16 शो। मुझे काफी लोग ये पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या रहा इस साल का ट्रेंड, व्हाट हैज बीन द ट्रेंड फॉर दिस ईयर्स IIJS 16 शो। सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक। We saw a lot of styles trending this year, but the one very much in trend was the setting of composite. Now, composite has come from the word compose, which means a collection of smaller components. Just like rose gold is composed of silver, copper and gold, similarly you can create a pear-shaped solder diamond by using a marquise at the bottom, two diagonal marquise and a small pear at the top, and center you can keep a princess. So अगर आपके बेबी को सॉल्टेयर पसंद है और अगर आपका बजट भी कम है, you can go for this style. The next style very much in trend is the wireframe or the net concept. हिंदी में हम उसे जाली concept भी कहते हैं. This has originally come from Turkey, and the best part of this concept is that you can create very beautiful bold rings and very reduced gold weight. So let's say if you want to make a gold ring in 15 grams, you can actually make it in less than 8 grams. The third style very much in trend this year is a kind of cocktail concept. It's basically a combination of antique jewelry with diamond jewelry. So not my choice, but it's in trend this year. The next style very much in trend is the negative space concept. Jewelers do not prefer this style very much, but we have seen some exhibitors who have used this concept as a strength for designing. The best part about this concept is that it can give you a very spreaded look at a very less gold weight. Now let us say which of these exhibitors used what kind of trend and in which fashion. The first one on the list is T.J Impex. T.J Impex brought beautiful medium weight pendant sets and they had clubbed it with a lot of jolly concept, and they had used a lot of composites with buckets. The next on the list is Filo Diamonds. Now generally bezel setting is not very much used by jewelers, but Filo Diamonds have used amazing bezel setting with a lot of floral pattern at the base of the designs, and they had composed a lot of buckets in composite setting. The next on the list is Sangam Jewels. They have used a lot of wireframe jolly concept, but they have mixed it with a lot of negative spacing in their designs, and they also brought a lot of innovative chain concepts. The next on the list is Valentines Jewellery. They hail all the way from Jaipur. अब जयपुर के हैं तो कलर स्टोन की मास्टरी तो दिखाएंगे. So they had used a lot of red color stones to make beautiful necklaces. They have also used a lot of open end concept to make rings and pendants. Generally we do not see open end style in jewelry, but they made it very nicely. They also used simple 3-stone cluster settings, very interestingly placed to make beautiful designs. The next exhibitor we saw was Pranda Jewellery. They had amazing mother of pearl concept designs, and they had texturized it with a lot of engraving, and they had a diamond at the center of each design with the prong setting. It was looking very beautiful. The sixth exhibitor we saw was K.P Sanghvi, who have made nice threaded rings with a 2-finger look, but it has got only one shank. Maybe it adds more comfort to the user. The next exhibit on the list is H.V.K Jewels, one of those very few companies who have massive stock. They had very good chokers with nice dual tone texture. They also had a lot of fancy shapes in the designs, and they had very interesting hollow ball concept coupled with composite setting, and they also had a lot of rings with hollow shank and with good texture. Next on the list are A-Star Jewels and Design Creation. They both have used wonderful antique with diamond jewelry, which is very much trending this year. Next on the list is Scintillating Jewels. They had an improvised version of the heartbeat collection. Instead of using 2 side hinges, they had used, in fact they had drilled the diamond with a metal hinge to give the heartbeat effect. Next on the list is DP Designs. They had a very interesting men's range. They have made good men's ring collection with a lot of hollow concept and with brick-like texture. The next on the list is Splurge Jewels. This year Splurge Jewels had a range of necklaces beautifully made by using the negative space concept. The next exhibitor on the list is Jewelcraft and Company. Well, a lot of exhibitors use composite setting, but this was one of those rare company who had beautiful patterns and designs using composites. Last but not the least on the list is Paris Export. Well, this company had got an amazing rings collection in a special macro style setting. Well, that's it for now. I hope you like my video, so please give me a comment and please share.